Hi friends, Salam Doston. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 8. So let's get started. Body, badan. Badan, badan. Every muscle in his body was sore. Har yak mushakhoyi badanash dard mekard. Har yak mushakhoyi badanash dard mekard. Head, sar. 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 So he fell asleep as soon as his head touched the pillow. Hamin ki sarash ba bolish rasid, khobash burd. Hamin ki sarash ba bolish rasid, khobash burd. Hand, даст. 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 So he was holding a pen in his hand. Ö dar dastash qalam dosht. Ö dar dastash qalam dosht. Finger, ангушт. 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 I burned my finger. Man ангуштамро сөзондам. Man ангуштамро сөзондам. And in the north, we say leylak instead of ангушт. So it will sound something like man leylakamro сөзондам. Belly, shikam. 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 He had a big belly. Vay shikami kalon dosht. Vay shikami kalon dosht. Okay, another thing, in the north part we say ишкам instead of шикам. Leg, po or poi. Po or poi. So you can use both of them. And I need to stretch my legs. Man boyad poihoyamro darroz kunam. Man boyad poihoyamro darroz kunam. Eye, chashm. 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 And two eyes will be chashmon. Some people say chashmho. Okay, you've got beautiful eyes. Shumo chashmoni zebo dored. Shumo chashmoni zebo dored. Ear, gush. 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 So a rabbit has long ears. Khargush gushhoi darroz dorad. Khargush gushhoi darroz dorad. Nose, binī. 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 My grandfather had a big nose. Boboyman binī kalon dosht. Boboyman binī kalon dosht. Mouth, даҳон. 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 Some people say даҳан, so you can use both of them, даҳон or даҳан. So, open your mouth. Даҳонатро кушо. Даҳонатро кушо. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So, see you guys in the next video. Hi.